Guys, we went viral. अगर आप एप्पल स्टोर के ऑफिशियल दिल्ली स्टोर लॉन्च की न्यूज फॉलो कर रहे होंगे तो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर यू मस्ट हैव सीन दिस फेस ऑल ओवर द इंटरनेट. So it was so crazy. If you'll Google Apple Saket 1999, you will find me everywhere on YouTube, on news and everywhere. So I was the guy who carried my iBook G3 from the year 1999 to show it off to Tim Cook, Apple fanboys and girls and the Apple employees. And trust me, the crowd went crazy. लेकिन बेटे तेरी कोई पिक्चर टिम कुक के साथ तो नहीं दिखी हमें मीडिया में. हाँ मतलब मैं टिम कुक से नहीं मिल पाया, लेकिन भाई मैं iBook G3 फ्रॉम द ईयर 1999 लेके गया था. और अगर आप न्यूज चैनल्स खोल के देखोगे, आप यूट्यूब वीडियोस, आप इंस्टाग्राम की वीडियोस, आप टेक्निकल गुरुजी के अगर आप वीडियो देखोगे, सबने मुझे कवर करा है. बेटे सुनो, तुमने गलतियां बहुत करी हैं, लेकिन चलो तुम्हें माफ कर देता हूं, क्योंकि तुम ऑफिशियली अब एप्पल की वेबसाइट पर आ चुके हो और इंटरनेशनल न्यूज भी तुम्हें कवर करने लगी है. और जो तुमने टिम कुक को मेल लिखा था, अब तो वो उसके ऊपर भी तुम्हें मिलने का वादा कर चुके हैं. बट रिमेंबर, द नेक्स्ट टाइम टिम कुक इज हियर, ऐसी भसड़ मत फैलाना. Hi guys, this is Ayush and you are watching AJ9017. यहाँ हम बात करते हैं टेक्नोलॉजी की in the easiest way possible. No tech specs, hence no confusion. तो अभी तक all the drama bazi that you were listening to and watching, it was just my man ki आवाज who was literally, grilling me because I missed my chance to meet Tim Cook. But it would have been so crazy if I would have been able to meet him, get all my tech products signed. But still, it was a very, very special experience. Taking all this vintage tech that I have collected over the years and showing it to all the Apple fans there, the Apple staff and the media was crazy. So, yes, this is the regret that I'll always carry with me. And if not on 20th of April, then maybe someday in the future I might fulfill my dream of meeting Tim Cook and get all my products signed. So what I did was that I compiled some of the best moments from my visit to the first official Apple store, Saket. And each and every video is linked to a special incident that happened, so you should check all of them, and I'm pretty sure you'll love these. The number one event was when the crowd went crazy when I walked in with all my products in the queue. You could see everyone there, all the Apple fanboys and girls surrounding me कि भाई ये क्या है, ये कौन से products हैं, can we touch it, can we hold it, or can we click a picture of it there. और even though lines घंटों की थी, but पता भी नहीं चला कि time कैसे निकल गया. And I made some really good friends there. Then the moment two was when I actually walked into the store with all my vintage tech products. I could see Apple employees smiling, cheering me up, clapping. You can see in this picture that Apple officially posted on their website also, that how excited everyone was to see fans like me who are still carrying their legacy with them till date. And then the third crazy moment was Apple fans there were curious to know why actually I was collecting all these products in the first place. You will see all over the media that there is this one clip that is going viral wherein I told one of the staff members that hey, when you compare what we had before and what we have now, then you realize that how far we have come. Just have a look at this. First generation MacBook that came with Wi-Fi from year 1999. So when you compare this to this, then you get to know how far we have come.
Yeah.
And people say Apple doesn't innovate. Are you serious?
Incredible.
Yeah. Thank you. I still can't get over that nostalgia and that comparison between what we had before and what we have today. In fact, when I walked into the Apple store, the first thing I did was to take out each and every vintage product that I had, and I placed it right next to the latest product that we had there in the store, and I compared it, and seeing both of the devices standing next to each other was a feeling that only a true technology enthusiast will understand. And then fourth special moment there was that the Apple employees there gave me a dedicated place on a table to keep all my vintage tech products there, so that everyone can rejoice the experience and look at them and have questions. So once I place them here, you can look in this picture, people are gathering around me, people are looking at these products, people were surprised that I have been collecting this since years. And then fifth moment, last but not the least, was my interaction with the media there. So be it technical Guruji team, CNBC, NDTV, AVP News, or Quint, BQ Prime, you name the channel, I had interactions with all of those people, and it was a fun chit chat. Plus there was a lot of debate going on there कि भाई मुंबई का स्टोर इतना बड़ा है और दिल्ली वालों तुम्हारा स्टोर इतना छोटा सा है, क्या तुम्हें बुरा नहीं लग रहा? And in fact, one of the journalists, Priyanshi Sharma, very reputed journalist from NDTV, asked me the same question, and here is what I responded to her.
Definitely bigger than the Delhi store. So in that sense, Mumbai is winning the Delhi versus Mumbai debate, at least when it comes to the Apple store. Are you not disappointed with the store here?
Okay, so I have a question for you. When Tim Cook announced that they are coming, what did they say? Are they coming to India or are they coming to Delhi or Mumbai? India, right? We are all one. I don't know what this war is about, Delhi versus Mumbai. We are all one and we are happy. So, this gives me an opportunity to even visit the Mumbai store because it is bigger. So, I'll be more than happy to visit there, and I'm very happy that Mumbai has a bigger store. I wish Delhi would have a bigger store, but I'm happy anyways because, see, Apple is here.
It could be an excuse to plan a vacation to Bombay. Why not?
Yes, absolutely. By the way, I came here by taking a sick leave. I hope my boss is not seeing this. And still, I miss Tim Cook. So, Tim Cook, if you're watching this, please meet me and sign this. I need this.
This one definitely deserves a signature.
Yes,
the iBook, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks very much for speaking to us. Lovely meeting you.
And there were a lot of people who were curious all around the country कि भाई Apple के स्टोर तो पहले भी थे, तो अब जो स्टोर्स हैं उनमें मतलब क्या फर्क है, मतलब क्यों लोग इतना ज्यादा हाइप्ड अप हैं, क्यों इतने क्रेजी हो रहे हैं कि भाई एप्पल का स्टोर आ गया. So there is a difference between an official store from Apple and the resellers. I explained this in the same interview and you should have a look.
You're also a tech enthusiast. A lot of people are wondering that you could anyway buy Apple products from resellers. You could get it from iWorld, you could get it from other resellers. So what's so different about the Apple store? What's the hype about?
So it's actually not the hype. The only people you see here actually understand the difference between a reseller and getting a product directly from Apple. See,
what are the advantages? The price doesn't change.
Obviously,
Number one, the price remains the same from a reseller to an official Apple store. So what changes apart from that?
So these are two major things. Number one is options. When you go to a reseller, you will hardly see the number of color options in iPhones or other gadgets available there. You'll hardly see covers there or maybe watch bands and everything. So, and they are all box packed there. You cannot see them, you cannot touch them, you cannot feel them. But if you have been here, you can see the huge, humongous collection of all the accessories and everything that you can see, touch and feel. So that's difference number one. Difference number two, the employees. It is often said that it's the employees who make the company, right? So when you walk to a reseller, they try to sell you stuff and they hardly have any knowledge about the products that they're selling. But when you walk into the Apple store, they are called iGeniuses for a reason, because they understand the technology. They love the technology. So they act as a mentor and not as a salesman.
Right.
और ये तो चलो स्पेशल मोमेंट्स थे ही. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मोमेंट or the moment of realization was that I'm blessed to have an amazing family. It's my dad who is always supporting me, no matter what, and then mom and my wife, you know, they stood with me in the line throughout this whole time. They were, you know, shooting my videos. You can see my mom smiling, you can see my wife looking at me with all the glitter in her eyes. So you know, this is crazy. I think you cannot do anything in your life if you do not have a supportive family, and I'm blessed to have one. So this is just one aspect that I also wanted to share with you. And acha, many people were also wondering ki what was actually inside that Apple Saket beige bag that everyone got when they left the Apple store. So it's a very very हाई क्वालिटी बैग, और इसके ऊपर यू विल सी एप्पल इंडिया के फ्लेवर वाला जो लोगो है वो हाई क्वालिटी में प्रिंटेड है, और इट इज वेरी अमेजिंग टू टच एंड फील, आई टेल यू. एंड नॉट ओनली दिस, बट व्हेन आई लुक्ड इनसाइड इट, देयर इज दिस स्मॉल ऑरेंजिश कार्डबोर्ड स्टाइल एनवेलप. इसके अंदर आपको एप्पल का स्टिकर मिलेगा, वो भी इंडियन फ्लेवर और इंडियन फैशन वाला. ओवरऑल it was one hell of an experience. So guys, this is it. And if you see me anywhere on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter or anywhere, do not forget to follow me there, or you know, tag me there so that I can also see where all I am being featured at. And this is Ayush. You are watching Agent 9017. Stay connected. और बेटे, ये गधा है, तुम नहीं. सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना.